Learn how to add and subtract a story problem using the abacus. This is our abacus that is on our screen, and it is a Japanese abacus in this case. And right now the decimal is over here, so this is my ones place, this is my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, my 10,000s, my 100,000s, my millions. All right, so let's go back again. It's my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and finally my millions place. Each place to the left, it's increasing by times 10. And if you notice, I only have 4 beads down here, and they're each worth 1 times the place value. And up here, I have a bead, and it's worth 5 times the place value. So, of course, 5 times 1 is 5. Over here, this would be 5 times 10, which would be 50. All right, so let's take a look at our problem. What we want to do is we want to add, well, let's read our story problem. So it says Zach drove 27 miles on Monday, 24 miles on Tuesday, and 57 miles on Wednesday. Ryan drove a total of 97 miles. Who drove the furthest and by how much? So the first thing that we need to do is tally up or add up how much Zach drove. And then we're going to decide if we're going to subtract Zach's from Ryan's or Ryan's from Zach's. Okay, so let's first put 27. Remember, this is worth 5, and I need 2 more for my 7. And for my 10s, I need 2 of them. So now that represents 27. On regular abacus, on an abaci, it does not show the 27 down here because it's just the tiles. It would just be the tiles. So this device is really nice on our computer because it's going to give us our total down here so we can make sure that we're doing it correctly until we really learn how to use it. Okay, so we have 27. Now we have to add 24. So I'm just going to count 4 more. But look what happens. 1, 2, I get to the end. So just like when you're counting and you have to carry, we're going to do that. So that was 2. I'm going to get rid of these and add 1 of these because I have now a 30. But that was only 3, and I need to add my 4th one. So I added my 1s, and now I have to add, remember we were adding 24, so now I have to add 2 10s. So 1, 2. All right, so right now we have 51. Finally, my last one I have to add is 57, so I'm going to go ahead and add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we get to the end. And 5. So we have 108. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and type that in over here. 108. And we know that Ryan rode 97 miles. So now we have our problem, 108 minus 97. All we're going to do now is go back and we're going to subtract. We're going to take away from our ones place first. We have 8, and I'm going to take 7 away. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We now have 1 in our ones, and now I have to take 9 away from our tens. And if you look, I have none in my tens. So I have to borrow 10 tens from my 100. And if I take 1 of those tens away, then I need to take 9 more. So let's get them back over here. I already took 1 away, sorry. I already took 1 away, and now I'm going to take away 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I say 8 more because I already took 1 away when I put my 100 down. So now it leaves me with 11. All right, so let's take a look at this and see if we have solved our problem. This says 11. So my question was, who drove the furthest? And I would put Zach, let's go down here. Zach drove the furthest by 11 miles. And now we have answered our extended response question using our abacus. Thank you and have a great day.